There's they call it four posture.
Yes.
Sitting, standing, walking, and lying down. I think they say the lying down is difficult to do.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why you see Buddha taught us to Riyapta Baba. Riyapta Baba is a full posture. So lying down meditation is difficult. But if you train very often, very good. Because in Myanmar, one of the Sierra because so sometimes lying down meditation maybe 8 hours, 8 hours lying down, 8 hours sitting, sometimes 8 hours standing, sometimes 8 hours sitting, 8 hours walking. So sometimes but lying posture is for those who could not sit for a long time, and especially in patients could not sit for a long time. So for those people, some people they cannot move. For stroke patient, half stroke patient, but before they have some experience of practicing meditation, at that time they have good chance to practice lying posture. But at the beginning of the practice lying posture, you will fall asleep. But never mind, when you try again and again, so you will have some experience of lying meditation. Because sometimes before you sleep, so you are aware, or superficially and lightly be aware of your body lying posture. When you fall asleep with mindfulness, when you wake up, also your mindfulness is still there. So if you try that, so you will get some experience of this lying posture. Yes, that's why in some the practice. But for beginners, lying posture is no good if you fall asleep. But if you practice during the retreat, for example, 10 days retreat, 1 month retreat, at that time you have nothing to do. Only just be aware of your body and mind process, the whole day, sitting, walking, standing, and lying posture. When you train this lying posture very well, so you will have some experience. It is a very good experience. Yes. Sometimes, yes, we try, especially for those who could not sit for a long time. If could not practice this lying posture, Buddha won't teach lying posture. Because this is the benefit by practicing lying posture. This is very true. Yes. For those who go to surgery, patient, before the surgery, also they can practice waiting for the operation room. At that time they are lying and waiting for surgery or operation room. They can practice lying posture. Their mind calm. So if their mind calm tranquil, the surgery, the doctors and nurses also do. This calmness is environment is people also very calm and can concentrate very well. That's why if this mindfulness meditation is always needed. So the lying posture also get. So that's why Buddha taught us this full posture can be practiced. Most of the people they think meditation only for sitting meditation. So normally we can practice any posture, anytime. But at the beginning you will have some difficulty. This lying posture.